So we got a big one today. This is a silver maple, cut down about a month ago. just the base is right at 48 inches. The crown, where we're gonna grind to, I got over 72 inches. So we're gonna see how big of a stump is too big.
So here's the start of me grinding a very large stump, doing it the pretty much traditional way, starting from the back and working forward. You know, one of the issues I found with the tractor stump grinder is that the wheel spins in the opposite way that a dedicated stump grinder would grind. Where a dedicated stump grinder, the wheel would turn and pull the wood chips back towards the machine. Here you can actually see the stump grinder trying to push the wood chips away from the machine, which would be the safest thing for an open station tractor. The problem is just that, and I think we're kind of seeing it now. The wood chips come up over the top of the stump, and you're left kind of grinding in the blind. You really don't know where you're grinding or what needs to be ground more, other than, well, just pick up and start grinding in some random direction with the wood chips. So yeah, I will ding the tractor mounted stump grinder one for that. It just makes your job very hard to see what you're doing. Not the end of the world, and certainly the trade-offs is having a front end loader with you all the time. And this is exactly the benefit of a tractor stump grinding service, is getting in there with the front end loader and trying to lift out all the debris, the wood chips, contamination, whatever you want to call it. You're able to get in there, scoop it up, haul it away, get it off site, and that's a benefit in twofold. Instead of a dedicated machine just leaving grindings there, a tractor with your front end loader can go in there, lift it all away, and then uncover if there's more roots that need to be ground.
Well, here we are. Definitely the largest stump that I've ground to date. I think we had 48 on the trunk, 72 minimum grind width. We actually scooped out about 2 yards of debris. The top, what you see, is just stuff that we raked back into the hole. And tomorrow we'll be back with clean topsoil and show you that progress. So actually, this is all that we took out from that single stump. Well, we hauled off the debris. We brought in clean pulverized screen topsoil. Now all that's left is throw some seed down, rake it in, and have the homeowner water it. So it's been a couple weeks, and let's see what we got. So after a few short weeks, the monster stump was ground. We took out all the debris that's going to rob the soil of nitrogen and all sorts of other stuff. And we brought in clean topsoil, threw some seed down, a little help with Mother Nature, a little bit of artificial watering, and the homeowner now has grass growing. I think that's a win. Here's another one. You may remember this area from Game Changer, 3-point hitch coupling solved. Yes, this was the stump, the tree that the homeowner was cutting down that I went over and ground later that evening. As you can see now, it's growing grass quite nicely. Well, given our weather here, it's growing pretty good. Another win.